Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. I've compared the Amazfit GTR with other smartwatches before, but today I will be comparing the Apple Watch 2 and the Amazfit GTR to see which one is worth your money. First, let's start with the common things they both have. Both the watches have good build quality, meaning they are both built to last. In addition, they both are dust and water resistant. Though the design kinda differs, they both have interactive side buttons, for the GTR that is, and the crown for the Apple Watch. They are also comfortable to wear and they just fit perfect. Both the watches have the ability to show notifications, so don't worry about missing any notifications. You can see them without the need of taking out your phone. But I will elaborate more on that later in the video. Both the watches are capable of tracking your fitness, that is, distance traveled, calories burnt, steps taken, and so on. They can also measure your heart rate continuously. They just do their job fine. Now let's look at the differences. When it comes to battery life, hands down the GTR takes the lead. You can definitely get more than 2 weeks no matter how many notifications pop in. With the Apple Watch though, you will definitely have to charge it on daily basis if you constantly receive notifications. The GTR has a slight advantage here for tracking your sleep. Although it's not accurate as the GT, it also shows the quality of your sleep. The Apple Watch on the other hand lacks this feature and it's kinda let down to some people. The GTR can be used with any smartphone. Here I mean Android or iOS, which is a good thing since you don't have to worry if you own either an iPhone or an Android phone. On the other hand, the Apple Watch is strictly for iOS. With the 4GB of inbuilt storage, this means you can actually play music from your watch to any Bluetooth earphones that is connected to. So this is a better watch when it comes to consuming media when working out. Speaking of music, you can control the music from the watch like volume control and track selection. You can also use the watch as a camera control function. Although both watches show notifications, but the Apple Watch has the ability to respond to the notifications. This can either be done using the touch or voice input, and it also has the ability to answer phone calls. To be honest, you can't go wrong with either of them. If you own an iPhone, I will recommend the Apple Watch, since you have a lot of features available to you. The GTR will be great for fitness tracking and the amazing battery life. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.